Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you another eye makeup look. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with this concealer by Color in shade Natural, and it gives medium coverage. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy round brush to blend this out. And it's blended so nicely. Then I'm going to take any kind of normal translucent powder. Then I want to apply this light brown shade from my powder contour palette by Kiko Milano. I'm just slowly moving out the brush on my eyelid. Again, from the palette, I want to take the bronzy shade. Just blend this in circular motion. I've taken this fluffy blending brush to blend this out. Then I want to apply the dark brown shade, which is more darker than second shade. And just apply that color on your outer corner. Then I want to take any black color shadow which is very dark so that I can create more depth on my outer corner. It will make my eye look so dramatic and glamorous. And blend those harsh lines. Sorry for this blur clip because that time my camera was not focusing properly. Okay, I'm going to complete this look by adding some glitter on my inner corner and brow bone. I just want to make this look more dramatic and beautiful. Yeah, here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave your comment in comment section below. Love you all.